So here I am at Shivalaya on one of the terraces here. I'm looking at Arunachala. It is very beautiful here, and I'm just taking a few moments to swing the rope, to do some rope flow. And I really like the rope flow practice because to me it's very much in keeping, in tune with my attitude towards yogic movement. What is yoga? Yoga, it means to join, to connect, to integrate. So when I teach yogic movement and when I practice yogic movement, I do lots of things to invite greater integration, greater harmony through all the different systems and joints in the body. And that's one thing that also I love about the rope flow practice. Now, if you join a yogic movement practice with me, it's not necessarily the case that we'll be swinging the rope. What we will be doing is exploring simple, practical ways to move with greater ease, with greater efficiency, so all our joints collaborate and we connect to this intelligence and this energy that can flow through our spines and so radiate nourishing, supportive energy through all parts of ourselves. So I'd be very happy to share some simple yogic movement practices with you that I find super helpful as I'm getting older to maintain this gratitude and appreciation for the gift of this human body, this vehicle that accompanies me and carries me on this beautiful journey of exploration and discovery that is a human life.